This is a 2024 Harley Davidson Roadglide. This is the new redesigned Roadglide that came out in 2024. They not only redesigned the front fixed fairing, but they redesigned the rear of the bike too. And they did a good job. Now this bike is in like new condition. It has only 910 original miles on the odometer. And the factory warranty is good until November 11th of 2026. Now the color of this beauty is SHARKSKIN Blue with a black factory finish, which basically means the factory blacked out the chrome. So your front forks are black, the engine guard's black, the engine's black, the pipes, the handlebars, the levers, the controls, the mirrors. It gives it a really good contrast, being the SHARKSKIN blue and black. Now being the 2024, it has the 117 cubic inch Milwaukee-8 6-speed transmission, so you have plenty of horsepower and torque just to run around town or cross country or through the hills and hollers and the twisties. Now being the 2024 model, it's really nicely equipped. It has of course the ABS, the cruise control, the traction control. It has four performance modes. One is a rain mode, a road mode, a sport mode, and then a custom mode. It also has hill start assist on it, which comes in real handy if you ever stopped at a stoplight or stop sign on a hill and you got a load and you're trying to jockey your feet and the brakes and the clutch and the throttle to take off smoothly. This bike will hold itself for you and then release as soon as you start to move. This bike is in like new condition, just beautiful color. Redesigned seat, of course it has a security system. It's stock, except for the mufflers have been replaced with S&S black slip-ons, so it gives it a really good, deep, throaty sound, and we'll hear that in just a minute when we fire her up. Big LED lights in the rear, so you're very visible, and then really bright LED lights in the front. A redesigned windshield. Being the 2024 model, it has the 12.5-inch info center. There's a lot of information on the bike and how it's running, your modes, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AM, FM. You can pipe your music right into the system. It has onboard navigation, and what you do with that is you download the Harley app for free on your phone, and you can integrate your maps right onto the screen. There's the mileage, 910 original miles. looking for a new Roadglide, save yourself thousands of dollars off a brand new one that they'll sell for probably MSRP plus the freight, plus the shipping, plus the setup, plus the title and dock fees, all that hooey. This 24 Roadglide that is still under factory warranty until November 11th of 26 is priced to sell with absolutely zero dealer fees. No mystery fees at all. Just a good honest price for a like new bike with only 910 original miles on it. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thanks for watching our video.